Let me enter certain things, 3%, 20 years. I mean, arbitrarily, I'm putting 6%, okay? Now, to calculate the yield to maturity, change your unknown to yield to maturity. But you also have to change the bond value, okay? In this case, 950. That's your input now instead of output. So all you have to do is read off the yield to maturity. So in this case, 334 is yield to maturity. Maybe something changed. Bond now is trading at $800. Anytime you change one of the inputs, as long as that solver mode is green light, it automatically solves for the unknown. It basically does a goal seek in the background. So it finds the value of yield that makes bond value exactly whatever you put in. That part is easy. Yield to call is a little bit different. Suppose call price is 1,050, and typically bonds, callable bonds, have a call protected period. So you can't simply say, I issued it today. 6 months from now, bond yields go down a lot. If it is still in the call protected period, you can't call them. They're typically 2-3 years, but it varies from bond to bond. Actual maturity is 10 years, and assume a coupon rate of 5%. I'll let you guys go after we do this. We're going to basically trick our template to calculate this. Semi-annual, that means coupon amount is $25. In fact, let's enter the numbers. First, let's do bond value. Okay. And let me write in this case, I'm going to do um, Remember, I can call it in 3 years. That means there are 6 coupon payments. And the last one is and we know what the call price is. All you have to do is solve that YTC. Normally, we would do that using a goal seek. I'm going to kind of trick it a little bit. We know the coupon amount, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call this, let's do it here. Well, I need a rate that's going to give me exactly 25, but the face value is going to be 1050, which means 25 divided by that times. So if I had a bond that had a face value of 1050 and coupon rate was exactly that, it would have given me a $25 coupon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically trick this one, and I'm going to say coupon rate. Let's copy and paste the value, and let's make this, of course, this changed now, but since they pasted the value, and I'm going to make this 3 years to maturity. That's my yield to call. So I'm tricking my template. I'm putting a fake coupon rate. That's going to give me exactly the same coupon as the original bond, but with a face value that is equal to call price. And instead of the original maturity, I'm going to use the first maturity at which you can call it. And for that, it's going to calculate the yield to maturity. That's all you need to do. I'm using my, we could have done it separately, but since we have a template, I'm tweaking my template to calculate yield to call. And a lot of things look at the yield to call. That doesn't mean it's going to be called. So it's slightly different than the current one. All right? Whatever the bond value is. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to calculate yield. And I need to enter bond value as 1050. Okay. I forgot that I had not changed the unknown. But when you're doing these problems, again, I'm going to have problems for this one as well. Just watch those. Let's stop here today, and I'll post those videos and your quizzes later tonight. You have till class time on Wednesday, and we'll play Jeopardy on this chapter on Wednesday.